Hello dudes, welcome. Welcome to my first YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Aether. What is Aether? What is Aether theory? How was it so much remarkable at that time? So guys, without any further delay, let's dive into our content. Spoiler alert!
Hey, you mouse fans, this is not the Aether you were thinking about.
Well, guys, let's back to our topic. So, Aether theory is no more valid. It is disproven and regarded as unwanted bug, or in the next sense, it is unnecessary for more scientific world. So, if it was disproven or unvalid theory, then why I am talking about that theory in this video? Because the history of Aether theory is remarkable. Its existence is unique because this theory was originally coined to merge the undeniable and greatest ideas of that time. This theory helped those two ideas or theories to coexist mutually. So, now let's dive into its origin. So, to know about its origin, let's look back to the Newton's theory. In Newton's theory, he stated that there is no absolute standard of rest in this universe because everything in this universe is in continuous motion at different rate. And if there is no such absolute standard, there cannot be universal agreement on a constant speed of any object in this universe. So, what does it actually mean? And how does it implies in our real life? For that, I'd like to give you an example.
People, let's rock on with the example. I'm your example host, and the example is simple. It is my daily life. As usual, I woke up late in the morning. Yo guys, it doesn't mean, okay, I'm lazy. I sleep late at night, that's why I woke up late in the morning. As I walk later in the morning, I get late from a bus. And boss beeps at the stop. And my mother shouts me in the home. And guys, now I have to run a marathon. So I run towards the bus. Something dramatic happens there. The bus, which is waiting me for more than 5 minutes, suddenly starts to move as I approach towards it. And there's written at the back of the bus in a bold letter, "Catch me if you can, bloody shit." And I think myself, I'm not a bloody shit. I'm not going to catch you, okay? And as I look towards my mother, she's staring at me. And I have to say to myself, yeah, I'm a bloody shit. I have to catch you. Guys, you want to watch the video what it looks like me chasing the bus? Watch in the screen. Whoa, that isn't me, okay? I'm not that bull. I'll leave that video, guys. Let's move into our topic. Okay guys, let's imagine I'm speeding towards the bus like a flash at the speed of 10 km per hour. Are you serious? Well dude, I haven't seen the flash running at the speed of 10 km per hour. Hey you bloody hell, I know that. Do you want to know why he doesn't travel at the speed of 10 km per hour? Because he doesn't carry the bag that weighs stones like me. Okay guys, let's move back to our example. Let's imagine this bus is speeding at the speed of 20 km per hour. And I'm running at the speed of 10 km per hour. And at that time, just imagine my mother is in balcony and she's looking at the bus and actually staring at me. To her, the speed of bus will be 20 km per hour and my speed will be 10 km per hour. But for me, the speed of bus will not be 20 km per hour. It will actually be 10 km per hour because I am moving in the direction of the bus with 10 km per hour speed. And if we look at this example into bigger scale, for example, let's say Earth. Earth is in constant motion. It revolves around the sun. For instance, the speed of Earth with relative to the sun is different from the speed of Earth with relative to the moon, other planets, or other stars. Even our solar system and the Milky Way galaxy is moving at a different speed with relative to the other different objects in this universe. So, this was what actually Newton was trying to say. Because there is nothing called such constant speed, because speed is relative term. it changes with relative to the bodies. Okay guys, now I hope that you have understood it.
So guys, everything seems to be normal up to here. Now let's move into the next topic. Man you see in the screen, you might know his name. He was famous British physicist. His name is James Clerk Maxwell. In about 1865, he was succeed in unifying the partial theories that were used to describe at that time the electrical forces and magnetic forces. Find all this partial theory. To his surprise, he discovered that light was also a type of electromagnetic wave, and along with other electromagnetic wave, light travels at a constant speed, which is equal to 186,000 miles per second. So guys, here comes the catch. As we have discussed earlier, the Newton theory doesn't allow for the universal constant speed. So, this was the problem, and this created a headache for the scientists of that time, because they cannot neglect any of those theories because they were complete and sensible. So, they tried to merge these ideas together, and they came up with the different theories. Among the most remarkable and accepted one was the ether theory.
Right guys, the reason behind ether theory being so much accepted was that it was very much simple and can be easily related to our real world. Ether theory simply states that as sound waves need medium to travel, likewise light and other electromagnetic waves also need some kind of medium to travel in the space or everywhere. So they named that medium as a ether, and with respect to the ether, the speed of light is constant, which is equal to 186,000 miles per second. And guys, since light and other electromagnetic waves can travel anywhere, it was said that ether is present everywhere, at every place, even at your house, room, everywhere.
And guys, not in our body only.
No! Hey you bitch! Don't try to be Son of Thor. You actually look like this guy.
Zap! Electrons!
So, with the help of ether theory, in this way they were able to merge these two ideas together. So guys, I hope you loved our video. It took lots of hours to present this content to you. So please guys, subscribe, like and share.